Welcome to today's video. If you've ever tried saving photos, videos, or documents from WhatsApp web and wished it was a little simpler, you're going to love this new update. In just a few clicks, you can now save shared media directly from WhatsApp web to your PC, fast, organized, and super easy to manage. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser and make sure you're logged in using your QR code. Once you're in, look over to the left side menu. You'll notice a new media icon. This is the key to accessing all your shared photos, videos, and files in one convenient place. Click on that media icon and select media from the menu. You'll now see a full gallery view of your shared files, sorted neatly by chat or group. Take a moment to browse and find the photos, videos, or documents you want to save. Next, head to the top of the window and click on the select icon. This new option allows you to choose multiple items at once, perfect for saving everything you need in one go. Simply click on each image or video you want to keep. Once your selection is ready, look for the Save As icon. Click it and a window will pop up asking where you want to store your files. Choose your preferred folder, confirm the path, and then click Save. And that's it. Your selected media will instantly download to your PC, ready for viewing, sharing, or organizing however you like. No more taking screenshots or saving one file at a time. This new update makes it quick and efficient. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Enjoy exploring the new WhatsApp web features and make sure to take advantage of the smoother, smarter way to manage all your shared media.